Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Horizon. My name is Dave and today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your Raspberry Pi. If you don't already know, Kali Linux is a Linux-based operating system designed for penetration testing. In other words, it's great for hacking. Most people use Kali Linux inside of a VirtualBox because they don't have an extra PC or they're not willing to spend a ton of money on a new one. Well, guess what? It now supports the Raspberry Pi 4. So naturally, I had to make a video about it. All you're going to need for this is the Kali Linux ISO file, which I'll leave a link to in the description below, as well as some sort of SD card flasher. I'll be using the Balena Etcher flasher, which you can also download. But before you get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, and you enjoy the tech-related content and tutorials that I create, you're welcome to subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And now, let's get started. First, you'll need to click on the first link in the description below, which will redirect you to a website where you can download the Kali Linux ISO file. Click on the Raspberry Pi Foundation category and download the 32-bit version. Personally, I've tried both the 32 and the 64-bit version, but the 64-bit version doesn't seem to run very smoothly or reliably, so it's better to stick with the 32-bit version for now. If you don't have an SD card flasher installed, go ahead and install the Balena Etcher flasher by clicking on the second link in the description. Once you've successfully downloaded everything, just open up the flasher and select the Kali Linux ISO file. Note that you might have to unzip it first. Then choose the SD card that you want to install the OS on and start flashing. As soon as you've done that, remove the microSD card from your PC and plug it into your Raspberry Pi and boot it up. Since you're booting up Kali Linux for the first time, this will take a lot longer than usual, up to 10 minutes depending on your internet connection. After that, you'll need to log in. Root is the username and Tor is the password. Now you should have full access to the Kali Linux desktop. One thing that you should do first is update the software, so click on the terminal and type apt update & upgrade. Once again, this can take quite a while. Then go ahead and change your username and password by typing sudo add user and your username, in my case B. Now you have to come up with a password and retype it. And then you need to enter some credentials and confirm the information. Now you've successfully added your own username and updated the software. As you can see, Kali Linux comes with a ton of hacking software, like the Fern Wi-Fi cracker, and many more. But maybe you want to have even more useful tools. If this is the case, just type the following command into the terminal: apt y install Kali Linux default. This too will take quite a long time. This process took around 8 minutes. Just bear in mind that this is a purely educational video and does not encourage hacking of any sorts. The provided tools are quite powerful and shouldn't be misused. But apart from this, that would be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I could help you out. If you're interested in seeing how to enable and use VNC on your Raspberry Pi 2, go check out my previous video. And if you found this video helpful, it would definitely make my day if you'd leave a like, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet and you enjoy the straight to the point tech related content and tutorials that I create, you're welcome to subscribe. See you in the next one.